Hey y'all, hey! Welcome to my educational technology leadership internship portfolio. That's a lot to say. If there's one thing I've learned about this educational technology process is that sometimes it's not really about the technology. It's about problem solving and about the people, the user. So the words educational technology immediately have you thinking about software, apps, artificial intelligence, websites, tools, and they're certainly important and they have a place. But this internship reminded me that technology should never be the starting point. It should be the problem. So during this time, I am an employee at the BI Moody III College of Business Administration at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette. Last summer, we went through our reaccreditation process, and in that process, we found a problem. Our students are not getting enough real-world experiential learning experiences soon enough in their college career. So that is the problem that we set out to tackle because we have great students, we have great employees, and we have career services, we have internship opportunities, we have Handshake, we have faculty connections, we have business partners. And as you can see, it's countless. But our students are struggling to find opportunities that are meaningful. And how can they take advantage of it if there's so many things coming at them and they don't have one place to go? So that became, how can we use technology, all of the things we're currently using, for a problem-solving thing or our problem solution? So this portfolio tells my journey on how we, the Associate Dean and the Experiential Learning Task Force, created the idea to pilot a career connections hub. For now, that's what we're calling it. We're going to use, or we did use, and we are going to pilot and test it throughout the next semester, our proprietary software at the university, which is Microsoft. We created a SharePoint, a team, forms, lists, and we're connecting all of the resources that the university is currently using, like our internship office and career services, to point our students, faculty, staff, and business partners to one place. So this project has changed the application and the thinking of educational technology and design, instructional design for me as a practical use. Good designs begin with listening. I had to do some research on our actual experiences, not just what we're reading in articles. And then we had to look at what our peer institutions are doing and have they had the same problems? Like, why would the AACSB say that the Moody College of Business is the only college struggling with this? Clearly we weren't. So through the portfolio, I took video diaries and logged the activities that I did, and you'll find some artifacts that we used as research to really narrow down the focus from a really broad explanation to what we think could be a partial solution to helping us reach our students. Through the process of research, collaboration, planning, prototyping, and then eventually evaluation, which will come over the next several months, the portfolio has really come together as the blueprint and process for this instructional design. It again is just a prototype. The Career Connections Hub is a pilot for us, but I believe it demonstrates thoughtfulness in instructional design and how we can improve the communication support, experiential learning experiences, and stronger connections between education and the real workforce. So thank you for taking the time to explore my portfolio. I hope you'll not only see the project that I created with my peers and advisors, but how the instructional design process transform from an educational challenge to a practical solution. So, welcome to my journey.